The holidays are upon us, but that doesn't mean we can't enjoy a delicious, creamy pumpkin carrot soup. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we'll be making this delicious carrot pumpkin soup. So to jump right in, you want to go ahead and peel and slice your carrots. Once you are done peeling and slicing your carrots, go ahead and set it aside and place it in a bowl filled with water so you can wash it later. Next, we are moving right along to the fresh pumpkin. So for this recipe, we are using, this is actually a pie pumpkin, but you can use any kind of pumpkin you like. We've also used butternut squash, which will also provide a sweet flavor. So we are using the pie pumpkin for this recipe. Go ahead and slice both ends. Once you are done slicing both ends, go ahead and start peeling your pumpkin. It's best to start from the top and work your way down, as pumpkins are typically hard to peel. And also guys, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. As you continue to slice your pumpkin, I just want to note that if this is your first time with us, we welcome you and we ask that you please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our delicious recipes. Guys, once you're done peeling your pumpkin, go ahead and cut it in half and remove the seeds. Once you're done removing the seeds, go ahead and cut the pumpkin into bite-sized pieces. This will allow the pumpkin to cook evenly. And it will also make it easier for when it's time to blend. Once you're done cutting your pumpkin, go ahead and place that in the bowl so we can also wash that later. Set it aside. Now for the seeds, you can actually roast the seeds, which we'll show you later on in the video, so stay tuned. Once you're done washing your pumpkin, go ahead and place it in a Dutch oven or a large casserole, followed by the carrots. And be sure to wash your carrots as well, guys. Next, add in the garlic and herbs. For this, we are using thyme and fresh parsley. Drizzle with olive oil. And season with salt and pepper. Once you're done seasoning, go ahead and add in your liquid. You could use broth or you can also use water, as we are doing here. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you know me, I'm always saying go ahead and give it a quick stir. So please go ahead and give it a quick stir. So once you're done stirring, go ahead and cover it and allow your vegetables to cook. Now we're adding in roasted potatoes. Now the potatoes are being added to add some substance to the soup. You want to make it rich and hearty. Add a little bit more liquid. And again, we are giving it a quick stir. Cover and allow it to boil. Once all of your vegetables are cooked, we're going to blend the soup. Everything should be forked through. Now, when it comes to blending, we are using an immersion blender. However, if you don't have one, you could use a high-speed blender as well. Either or would work. And personally, I like to use the immersion blender for this recipe or soups that are like this because it still provides some sort of chunkiness to the soup. So, whereas in the regular blender, it's a little bit creamier. Go ahead and stir so that way nothing sticks to the bottom of the casserole. Now we are adding in heavy cream. This is what's going to provide that silky smooth texture. Continue to blend to your preferred consistency and reduce the heat and allow the soup to simmer. Now in a small skillet, go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of olive oil, then add in the pumpkin seeds. Lightly season with salt and pepper and roast your seeds. You can also roast your seeds in the oven as well. Now the seeds are going to provide some extra crunch to the soup. Roast the seeds to your preferred doneness and set it aside. Now your soup is ready for you to serve. We are serving this delicious soup in a roasted pumpkin. So what we did, we removed the pumpkin from the inside and just leave the outer shell so we could use that as a bowl. We have full step-by-step on how to do this on the website at savorythoughts.com. Guys, that's it. Your delicious pumpkin soup is ready for you. It's rich, it's nourishing, and it is absolutely delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe. We would love to have you, and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers.